our first, no, today's not our first snow, but our snowstorm. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Oh, how I love snow when I don't have to go anywhere. Yay! Hold up. This piece of hair is bugging me. Winter Wonderland. Yay, 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 yay. Where's my kids? Where's my boy? Playing ball?
Playing basketball.
Basketball? Basketball.
Hi.
Hello. Where's Ruby?
Playing tennis.
Ruby, were you playing tennis? What? Anyway. Whoa.
Alright.
Yes, yes, this is insane. At the same time, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, look at this snow. I love snow in a heartbeat. I don't care. Who else is enjoying the snow besides me, huh? Who else is home snowed it? Excuse me. Who else is in the snow? Having fun, not have to worry about work. Well, when you're snowed in, you don't need to go anywhere. No work, no out. Just have fun, be at home. Yay! Oh my God. This is wonderful. The most wonderful time of the year.